Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable age restrictions on your Facebook profile so only people aged 19 and over can see your content. This is part of Facebook's latest update, and it's a great way to control who interacts with your posts. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Go ahead and click on Settings to access more detailed options for your account. Now, inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it to continue. This is where you can manage who sees your posts and how your content is shared. Once you're inside, look for the option called Age Restrictions. Click on it and you'll see different choices for limiting your audience. To set your content for a more mature audience, select People 19 and over. After selecting this option, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. This step is important, otherwise your settings won't be updated. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now set so only users aged 19 and above can view your public content. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.